Hello student, good morning. Welcome back to the channel of a study with Coder. In this video, we will see the lectures of first lectures of computer networks. So first we see the content of that lectures. First we see uses of a computer network. In this, business applications, home application, mobile users, and then next network hardware, local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, wireless network, home network, and internetwork. Then the first topic of this video is introductions. Computer networking refers to the practice of connecting computer and other digital devices together to share resources and exchange information. It involves the use of hardware and software technology that enable communications between computer and other devices, whether they are located in the same physical location or are geographically dispersed. A computer network allows for the sharing of resources such as printers, file, and data storage, as well as ability to communicate with other computer and access the internet. Networking also enables collaborations between individuals and groups and support the transfer of data and information across a variety of platforms and devices. Next, uses of a computer network. There are many different uses and applications of a computer networks, including resource sharing, communications, internet access, security. First, resource sharing. One of the primary uses of a computer network is to share resources such as a printer, scanner, and data storage device. This allows multiple users to access the same resources, which can help to reduce cost and increase efficiency. Communications. Computer networks also facilitate communications between individuals and groups, whether through emails, instant messaging, or video conferencing. This can be especially valuable for remote workers or for teams that are spread out access different locations. Internet access. Computer networks provide access to the internet, which is essentially for many business and individuals. This allows users to browse websites, access online resources, and communications with others around the world. Last but not least, security. Security in computer networks can be used to implement security measures such as a firewall and encryption, which can help to protect sensitivity information and prevent unauthorized access. Business applications. Following are some business applications of computer network: resource sharing, server client model, communications medium, e-commerce. These are the business applications of a computer network. Next, home applications. Some of the most important use of the internet for home users are as follows: access to remote information, person to person communication, interactive entertainment, electronics commerce. Mobile users. Mobile computers such as notepad computers and mobile phones is one of the fastest growing segment of the entire computer industry. Although wireless networking and mobile computing are often related, they are not identical as below. Desktop computers in offices. Notebook computers using a hotel rooms, network in order unwired buildings, And last, portable office PDA for store inventory. These are the mobile users. Wireless networking of a mobile computings. Next we start the area of a network. First, local area network, LAN, WAN, WAN. A local area network is also called as a LAN, LAN. LAN or a local area network connects networks devices in such a way that personal computers and workstations can share data, tools and programs. Advantage of local area network: provide fast data transfer rates and high speed communications, easy to set up and manage, can be used to share peripheral devices such as printer, scanner, provide increased security and fault tolerance compared to WAN. Disadvantages of a local area network: limited geographical coverage, limited scalability and may require significant infrastructures upgrade to accommodate growth, may experience congestions and network performance issue with increased usage. Metropolitan Area Network. MAN or Metropolitan Area Networks cover a larger area than that covered by a LAN and a smaller area as compared to WAN. MAN has a range of 5 to 50 km. It connects two or more computers that are apart but reside in the same or different cities. Advantage: provides high speed connectivity over a larger geographical areas than LAN. Can be used as an ISP for multiple customers. Offers higher data transfer rates than WAN in some cases. Disadvantage of Metropolitan Area Network: can be expensive to set up and maintain, may experience congestions and network performance issues with increased usage, may have limited fault tolerance and security compared to LANs. WAN and WAN wide area network. WAN or wide area network is a computer networks that extend over a large geographical areas. Although it might be confined within the bound of a state or country, WAN has a range of above 550 km. There are two types of WAN: switch WAN and point-to-point WAN. Advantage of a wide area network is cover large geographical areas and can connect remote location, provides connectivity to the internet, offers remote access to share resources and application, can be used to support multiple users and applications simultaneously. Disadvantage of a wide area networks are: can be expensive to set up and maintain, offers lower data transfer rates than LAN or MAN, may experience higher latency and longer propagations delays due to longer distance and multiple network hops. Wireless network. Wireless network. Computer networks that are not connected by cables is called as wireless network. Simply, the computer networks that are not connected by cables that are called as a wireless network. They generally use of a radio wave for communication between the network's nodes. They allows devices to be connected to the networks while roaming around within the network coverage. Types of wireless network: wireless LAN, wireless MAN, wireless WAN. Wireless LAN means wireless local area network. Wireless MAN means local wireless Metropolitan Area Network, and wireless WAN is wide area network. Example of a wireless networks: mobile phones networks, wireless sensor network, satellite communications network, terrestrial microwaves network. Home area network. Home area network is a network in a user's home where all the laptops, computers, smartphones and other smartphone appliances and digital devices are connected into a network. Advantage of a home area network are accessibility, resource sharing, security, management, maintenance, multi-users, comfort life. And the disadvantage of a home area network is expensive, slow and high security. Last but not least, Internetwork. Internetwork is a combine of two words, inter and networking, which implies as association between totally different nodes or segments. This connections area unit is established through intersector devices to router and gateway. Advantage of Internetwork: increased connectivity, resource sharing, improve scalability, improve collaboration, access to remote resources. Disadvantage: there are 4 advantages of Internetwork: security risk, complexity, performance issue, compatibility. Thank you all for view this video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Study with Coder. And if you like this video, so please like and comment your feedback. Thank you. Bye bye.